In the historic heart of Ankara, tucked beneath the quiet shadow of the ancient citadel, lies one of Turkey's most captivating cultural treasures, the Museum of Anatolian Civilizations. From the outside, the building appears modest, housed within beautifully restored Ottoman-era structures that once served as a marketplace and caravanserai. Yet step inside, and you find yourself traveling not just through rooms, but through thousands of years of human history. There is something deeply grounding about this museum. It doesn't overwhelm you with grandeur. Instead, it invites you gently into the story of Anatolia, the land that has been home to countless civilizations. The atmosphere is calm, almost reverent, as if each artifact carries a quiet voice waiting to be heard. As you move through the galleries, time begins to unfold layer by layer. The museum presents the rich heritage of Anatolia in a beautifully curated sequence, from prehistoric settlements to powerful ancient kingdoms. What makes the experience so special is not only the age of the artifacts, but the intimacy they convey. These are not distant, abstract relics. They are pieces of daily life, shaped by hands that lived, worked, and dreamed in this land thousands of years ago. Stone carvings, clay tablets, delicate jewelry, and ancient tools all tell stories of innovation and survival. You begin to see patterns, how ideas evolved, how cultures influenced one another, and how Anatolia became a crossroads of civilizations. The museum quietly reveals that history here is not linear, but layered and interconnected. One of the most fascinating aspects of the museum is its ability to make the ancient world feel tangible. A carved figure, worn smooth by time, seems almost alive under the soft lighting. Intricate patterns etched into stone reflect a level of artistry that still resonates today. Even the simplest objects, a bowl, a tool, a fragment of pottery, carry a sense of familiarity, reminding you that human experience, in many ways, has remained the same. The building itself enhances this journey. With its arched ceilings, stone walls, and warm, earthy tones, the museum feels both historic and welcoming. Light filters softly through the space, guiding visitors naturally from one era to another. There is no rush here, only a quiet encouragement to slow down and observe. What makes the Museum of Anatolian Civilizations truly unforgettable is the perspective it offers. It connects the present with the distant past in a way that feels deeply human. You begin to understand Anatolia not just as a place on a map, but as a living landscape shaped by generations of people, each leaving their mark in subtle and meaningful ways. As you step back outside into the streets of Ankara, the city feels different. The modern world continues around you, yet there is a new awareness, an understanding that beneath the surface lies a vast and ancient story. The museum lingers in your mind, not as a collection of artifacts, but as a reminder of continuity, creativity, and the enduring spirit of human civilization. Visiting the Museum of Anatolian Civilizations is not simply a cultural experience. It is a quiet journey through time, one that deepens your connection to Turkey and to the shared history of humanity itself.